success story. So when you succeed in life, it is nice to be appreciated for your win. But a few persons, or maybe more than a few, they're not so happy when you win, you know, folks. Not everybody's rooting for the home team.
For them business, that.
Then, as Delia would say, me nah look pon them. For our girl talk, we're discussing reasons why everyone is not happy for your success. Reason number one is what? Say it now. Don't look at the paper.
They're experiencing failure in
No,
their
before you
life.
reach there, the Jamaican term is what?
Bad man.
Yes, girl. I could just put that.
Bad man.
Bad man.
They're experiencing failure in their life. So them not like the success in your life.
Yes, girl. Yes.
Which is why it's important. I tell people all the time, feedback is great, criticism can be constructive, but do a little research and see who it's coming from. Because I find that now I don't react as much.
But sometimes it's from the closest quarters.
I still don't react as much. Because when me hear it, and then me say, oh, that's why they're doing it. That's why they're doing it. So if
Hurtful.
no, like somebody, I will get into the details. Somebody did something, and I was like, why would they not want to support
X?
what X? And then I realized, for them thing not going too great. So I say, oh, that's the problem. That's the problem. So that's number one. Person who's doing well in their life sees another's success as a bonus. Whether you're a friend or not, they give you a high five or a hug. They're finding success and fulfillment in their lives, so there's no real downside to wishing you all the best. I tell people success is infinite. Because you have some, that means it take away from somebody else. Success is there for everybody to get. So it's the other way for some people who are losing and they're bitter about it, so they hate seeing another person win. But let me tell you something. You see, if you're losing, it should be motivation and inspiration to see another person win, because it tells you that winning is possible.
Can be done.
So the time you take and try find the negativity and then try strip that person of their success,
Find a strategy.
you would have said, wait, you know, if this person can do it, that means it should actually be boosting your confidence,
But
that
it's the
I can
people
do it.
who are winning, who are still bad-minding you, like they have their success, but I find...
Well, we not reach the rest of them,
Oh, it
because
is
that
there?
is included.
Okay. Because you know, when I started
That is
really to learn this was
included.
when I started my own business, right?
Oh.
And it was a shock.
I could have told you if you asked me.
Well, somebody did tell me, but you know, Simone always looking on the bright side and don't want to believe the underbelly until you feel it for yourself.
Under the belly not pretty.
It does not pretty.
Yeah.
Go on. They believe you don't deserve it.
Correct.
Watching someone win in life when you feel they are a bad, lazy, or unworthy person, this article says, is like torture.
Even if them not feel so.
Exactly right.
Even if them not feel
any of these.
have it.
Or your success should be capped at a certain level.
Correct.
And beyond that,
Correct.
where do you think you're going?
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
This says it can make even the best of us lash out in anger or rudeness. Another of the top reasons why not everybody is happy for your success is that some may believe you simply do not deserve it.
Andre Horton raised something that is an issue in Jamaica that we don't face, and so it's difficult for us to solve it, and that's classism. Classism in this country. And so there are some people, because you are from a particular class, they feel you should not have what you have. And that's where she come from. Someone literally said that about me, and they know somebody who knew me was sitting behind them. Spanish town she come from, she know. She not gone away.
Really?
Yes. Big function up at Jamaica house.
Really?
And the person called me immediately and said, you're not going to believe who is sitting in front of me and what just came out of their mouth.
I'm going to ask you a question.
Yeah.
Was it a woman?
Yes. And I said to them, well, that explains the roadblocks that I have been facing from that particular person, which helped me to just go find another road and not that road. So that's the thing. classism in this country. Them will tell you, well, they're not deserving. And if they feel you don't deserve the success, they will also credit your success to all kinds of things. All kinds of things. From Obia to...
Sorry?
From Obia.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
She must deal with somebody or whatever. And I tell parents all the time, be careful what you reinforce in your children. Because if you see somebody's success and you keep saying in front of your child, I must thief money, let them have it. Or you see a young woman and you say, somebody should do with that work, or the boss should do it. You have just told your child that in order for them to be successful, them need to go there with the boss, or them need for thief. So be careful what in your own bad mind you're reinforcing your children.
You say out loud because they're learning from us, every single day, whether you're speaking directly to them or not.
So you're not a bad or lazy. You can be the hardest working person.
You better believe it.
And people just believe that you don't deserve it. But what is important is you have to believe that you deserve it, and fight for it. You know, Sim? Yeah, because if you don't believe you deserve it and somebody tell you you don't deserve it, you will fool your hand,
But I tell you that a lot of people have ended up that path because they're not strong enough.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So this business of success is a lot about dexterity, and about discipline, and about not giving what the naysayers have to say power.
Correct.
To that person who said to me, you're leaving Grace Kennedy work to do what? Go and start your own business? Are you crazy? You're walking away from a pension that is secure to go and do something that's not gonna work? Yeah. You understand? Be careful with speaking life and death over your plans and your goals and your success, because it lies in your hands and your hands only. Yeah. Right? Okay.
Yeah.
Last one says they're jealous.
Right after those who believe you didn't earn your success are those who know you probably did earn it, but they simply are jealous of you. Bad mind.
Yeah. And it's a disease in Jamaica.
Bad mind.
It's a disease in Jamaica. And you will start out with a circle, of people you think are rooting for you, but best way to really find out who your real friends are is to become successful in what you do, because it shows you, it reveals so much.
Correct.
About love and support.
I tell you.
It really does.
I tell you.
Unfortunate. One day we'll write a book.
Yeah, people will want to claim your success. They'll have a million stories.
Or is there make it happen?
About why you are where you are, because they made you where you are. What is important is that you know your journey, believe in your journey, and
don't spend the time trying to disclaim.
No, and
it
everybody
takes a lot of energy out of you. Just spend that energy trying to be more successful.
Correct. And everybody not happy for you. There's nothing that says people have to be happy for you.
Correct.
They don't have to be happy. I find we get caught up in that a lot.
Correct.
Too.
They don't have to like you either, miss. They don't have to like you. They don't have to be happy for you. They don't have to celebrate you. They don't have to care.
We get caught up in that a lot. Look at what I've achieved and I'm not getting the recognition, or look at what I've achieved and you believe them don't even happy for me. They don't have to be. Be happy for yourself.
And keep working, because really and truly, it's a cold, hard fact, but a lot of people would love to see that success disappear. Right? So don't give them the satisfaction.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Work at it.
Work at it, guys. Be successful. You deserve it. And that's why people say celebrate yourself. Nobody don't want to celebrate you. Carry out yourself. Yeah, treat yourself to a nice dinner.
Yes.
And everything, and say, look at it. Look at my success.
Burn them.
No, don't make it burn them.
Yes, make it burn them.
Just don't care about them. That's the point I'm trying to make.
Sorry. Apparently I went off script.
Yes. No, don't make it burn them. Because maybe it not burn them and then you say, all right, not burn them. Just don't think about them.
All right. Got it, Harris.
Oh, man.
But make it burn them. That's our girl talk for this morning. I'm just
My everything, them still there.